Welcome to Beyond Budget. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X, a machine that aims to combine exceptional battery life, efficient AI capabilities, and affordability for everyday users like students and remote workers. In this review, we'll examine the laptop's build quality, internal components, general productivity, gaming performance, and more so you can confidently decide whether it's the right fit for you. Our model is configured with a 15.3-inch widescreen ultra-extended graphics array display, Qualcomm Snapdragon X processor, a 16GB of low-power DDR5X RAM, a 512GB of NVMe SSD, and an integrated Qualcomm Adreno GPU. Stick around till the end to see if it's really worth your money, and check the description below for a link to this exact configuration. Without further ado, let's dive into the details. Starting with the design, Lenovo clearly went for a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. The aluminum top and PCABS bottom chassis give it a sturdy touch, passing military-grade durability tests for everyday bumps and travel. However, the plastic bottom might show wear over time with rough handling. Weighing around 3.52 pounds or 1.6 kilograms and just 17.9 millimeters thin at its thickest, it's highly portable for commutes or all-day mobility. The hinge feels smooth yet firm with a slight stiffness for one-handed opening, and there's no noticeable screen wobble during typing or lid adjustments. Overall, it strikes a balance between elegant style and robust practicality, feeling more upscale than its budget price suggests despite some plastic elements. Now moving to the display. The display is a 15.3-inch 1610 widescreen Ultra Extended Graphics Array IPS panel with 1920 by 1200 resolution. It covers about 67% of sRGB or roughly 45% NTSC, making it average for general use like office work, browsing, or streaming, but not ideal for color-critical tasks where hues can look slightly muted or washed out. Brightness peaks at around 312 nits, so it's suitable for indoor and moderately lit outdoor environments. The anti-glare coating also helps in outdoor settings. However, direct sunlight might cause some washout. It also supports a 60 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything feel smoother from scrolling through documents to light gaming or video playback. In short, the screen is decent for the price, offering a good balance of size and usability without draining the battery too quickly. For connectivity, you get two USB-A port with up to 5 gigabits per second of speed, one USB Type-C port with power delivery and DisplayPort support, an HDMI 1.4 port, a full-size SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone microphone combo jack. And for wireless, there's the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The inclusion of the SD card reader and HDMI adds flexibility for creators and professionals who need to connect to external displays or transfer files from cameras. Now moving to the keyboard. The keyboard is backlit and spacious with a full numeric keypad, featuring about 1.3mm key travel that feels comfortable and precise for long typing sessions, though it can come across as slightly mushy on harder presses. The backlighting with adjustable levels helps in low-light environments. The trackpad is large, smooth, and accurate with a mechanical click mechanism, and supports Windows gestures and multi-touch without lag, though it's positioned a bit off-center. The webcam comes in at 720p resolution. It's decent for casual video calls with Microsoft Studio effects for AI enhancements, and the physical privacy shutter is a nice touch for security-conscious users. Speakers are upward-firing, located above the keyboard, and deliver clear mids with weak bass and some distortion at high volumes. Good enough for calls, YouTube videos, and light media consumption, but not for serious audio work or music listening. Headphones are recommended for better quality. Under the hood, the Qualcomm Snapdragon X powers the system. It's an 8-core Orion architecture chip with clock speeds up to 3.0 GHz, designed for efficient ARM-based computing with a built-in 45 trillion operations per second NPU for AI tasks. It performs similarly to Intel Core i5-12450H in multi-core performance. The 16 GB of low-power DDR5X memory handles multitasking well, though it's soldered and non-upgradable, and the 512 GB of PCIe NVMe SSD delivers fast load and boot times, with an option for a second SSD slot for future expansion. When it comes to productivity, this laptop performs well in tasks like office work, document editing, web-based apps, and AI tools thanks to its Copilot Plus certification. And the 45 TOPS NPU makes it capable for photo or video editing in apps like Photoshop or Premiere with some limitations. Design work, code compiling, and even machine learning simulations run smoothly. It's particularly efficient for multitasking, such as running multiple browser tabs, Slack, and Microsoft Office simultaneously, outperforming some Intel-based budget rivals in productivity benchmarks. For graphics, it's running the integrated Qualcomm Adreno X1 GPU, which means you can expect light gaming or strong creative performance. Here are some benchmark scores compared to other laptops in its price range. In gaming, the integrated Qualcomm Adreno GPU handles older games such as GTA 5, or indie titles like Stardew Valley at 1080p low to medium settings, giving you around 30 to 60 FPS range depending on the game. It's fine for casual, esports, or indie titles on the go, but not ideal for modern AAA games or ultra settings, as the GPU is entry-level and runs some titles through emulation layers. Battery life comes in at around 20 to 30 hours during light use like web browsing and document work at lower brightness, and around 10 to 16 hours during heavy tasks like video editing or streaming, thanks to the efficient 60 watt-hour battery and ARM-based CPU. It charges via a proprietary power connector with a 65-watt adapter, though USB-C can be used for data while charging, taking about 1.5 to 2 hours to reach 100% from empty. Overall, endurance is impressive and class-leading for a 15-inch device, making it ideal for all-day use without needing an outlet nearby. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X delivers great performance for everyday tasks, exceptional battery life, AI-ready features with the NPU, and a solid build for its price. Its main drawbacks are the non-upgradable RAM and a somewhat dull display with only average brightness and color accuracy. Aside from those limitations, it's an ideal choice for students, budget-minded creators, and business professionals who want portable power, a sleek design, and AI-enhanced performance without overspending. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Budget for more tech reviews and comparisons.